Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. This one, we're in ChatLLM Teams, and today we're looking at their AI agent, or their computer agent. Depends how you want to put it, guys. Everybody knows that 2025 is going to be the year of the AI agents, and Abacus AI via ChatLLM Teams has thrown their hat in the ring, and they've got something awesome. How good is it? Well, if you listen carefully, you'll notice that I am not typing, I am not hitting any buttons on the computer here that I'm working on. This is all being done using their agents hands-free. It is wild. It is amazing. It is terrifying. And it's here, guys. This AI agent, or computer agent, I guess you might want to call it, can control your browser, it can scrape data, it can code, it could book you a flight. I've got it booking a round trip around the world flight for every day in February, just to show you how good this is. It can do everything, interact with other AIs, spy on your competitors, download files. It can even automate repetitive tasks, which we all want to do. There's so much here, guys, and I want to show it to you. Join me. Let me show you how this cooks. All right, so to get started, very simple. Just head over to abacus.ai, link in the description below, and I'm going to go up here and just click on ChatLLM. That takes us to ChatLLM Teams, and this is where you want to be. On the left side, you're going to see Computer Agent. That's the one. If you don't see it, just click on that little tab here, and presto, it's going to pop open a new tab, and here we go. It's ChatLLM Computer Agent, and this is where we want to be, and now I'm going to show you some really cool stuff. Here we go. All right, we're logged in. We're ready to go. Let's take a look at the AI agent. On the left side here, you'll see they've got some sample prompts or some idea prompts. They're nice and simple. It's a great way to test it out and see what it can do. On the right side, again, this is our browser window, but I want to make a special note here that this is being done in a virtual environment. So if you have any security issues, or if you're concerned that you don't want something happening on your computer or your laptop, this is all done virtually in a virtual environment. You're good to go there. That said, here, let's take a quick look here. So you'll see here, I can click on one of these prompts, or I can type in a prompt, but depending on, what I'm looking to do here. So I'm going to go with a nice simple one. Let's schedule a Zoom meeting for Wednesday, and watch this. The computer agent here, I'm hands-free. I'm not typing anything. It's going through, and it's cooking it up for me. Now, this is a very simple idea, but you can do some really cool, crazy things here with this AI agent, and that's what I want to show you now. Let's get in. Let's take a look at that. All right, so here we go. Let's take a look at some real use cases. Here's an example. I run a website called Kingy AI, based on my YouTube channel, based on my website, and I cover all sorts of AI topics. Watch this. I'm going to paste in a prompt, and again, you can type in anything you want here. The AI agent or the computer agent will do it. Here's what I typed in. Can you scrape the data from my website? Gave it my URL. What is this website about? Who are the main authors? What topics do they cover? You can ask a million questions. Those are some that I just want to run with, and watch this. Now, here it is. It's going to load my website. In fact, it's already loaded, but they've gone ahead and reloaded it just in case. And it is going through my website. It is hands-free. I'm not clicking anything. I'm not touching anything. It's navigating my site. It's scraping it. It's doing exactly what I want. And then, as you can see here in real time, this is not sped up. On the left side, you'll see here what it is. It says, hey, the website is technology news and review website focused on AI. Yes, exactly that. Who's the main author? Curtis Pike. That's me. It got it right. It got it 100% right. My articles are consistently tagged with his name. Okay, that's perfect. Here are the main topics: AI applications, AI code editors, AI video creation. CodeLLM, for example, is the AI code editor that ChatLLM created, or the guys and gals at Abacus AI created. Here we go. AI team collaboration tools with ChatLLM, no-code, low-code AI solutions, etc., etc. It has done a fantastic job. It did research, it did scraping, and it literally did it with one click, and I had to do nothing else except just sit back and let it go. There's a ton more amazing things that it can do. Now, let me show you the next one. All right, so those were fantastic suggestions, but I want to raise the stakes a little bit. It's one thing to analyze something, do some research. Can it give you suggestions that you can use? Watch this. I'm going to paste in a prompt here. Very simply, I am looking to improve my search engine optimization for website. Can you look at my website and give me suggestions on how to do that? Be as specific as possible. So this is my prompt. Of course, you can type in any prompt that you want, but the point is watch what the AI agent or computer agent does here. It's absolutely wild. Read this line here. Let me install and use some SEO analysis tools to get more detailed information about your website. This is true agent behavior because it is going ahead and taking actions. It's installing things, again, in a virtual environment, but it's doing this on our behalf based on our prompt and our request. And look at this here. It has given us a very good analysis because I've already tried this. And check it out here. Implement a proper meta description for your homepage and all content pages. And to be fair, I didn't quite do that. And it tells you exactly what it says right now. So the title tag on my homepage, I might need to fix that. My URL structure, well, is SEO friendly with clear keywords? Okay, so maybe I got a pass there. Okay, let's keep going down here. Content recommendations. Increase the amount of text content on the homepage. This is a fair comment because my homepage right now is literally just a bunch of posts, of just images of posts. So this is a good point. Use hierarchy H1, H2, H3 tags. Again, my front page is mostly a container. So I mean, really, really good stuff here. Implement XML sitemap, and you can go through these and go through them, step by step. But this is an example of it installing tools, taking real AI agent, computer agent behavior, and then taking action with it. This is absolutely amazing. Let me show you, however, one final thing that you can do with the computer agent here in ChatLLM Teams. All right, the next thing I want to show you real quickly here is competitive research or competitor research. Let me give you an example here. I'm going to type in here. I'm just going to paste it in, actually. I am looking to do some competitive research. Can you review this YouTube channel? Now, this works for websites, YouTube channels, etc., but put in whatever you're looking to do. And I gave it my YouTube channel. So I want it to look at my channel because I know exactly what's on my channel. So I'll know if this is right or wrong. You can't fool me. What types of videos do they make? Can you give me 20 ideas for my next video? These are just examples. You can type in anything you want. Of course, let's hit enter and watch what happens here. Now, I've already run this prompt previously, so you'll see here they've already got my YouTube channel open. So here we go. It's loading up Firefox and it's doing some research. Real quickly here is my channel. It's got 1.1 thousand videos. It's got 58,000 subscribers. And if we go to Social Blade here, you'll see here that I've got exactly those numbers here. So you can always 19.3 million views, etc. So that's what it should come back with. Let's see what it did come back with. Okay, Kingy AI is a YouTube channel focused on artificial intelligence content. Yes, 558,000 subs, 1.1 thousand videos. And again, remember, I didn't touch any buttons. I hit a prompt and the agent did the rest. That's a very important point. And there we go. It goes in here. It gives me now 20 ideas based on the current trends and the type of content that I create. How to use Claude 3, beginner's guide. Okay, that would be a perfect video for me to create. 10 AI tools that replace your virtual assistant. Okay, we can go with that here. And there you go. This is just another example. If you dig down a little further here, you can see that these videos that I create are practical tutorials, tool comparisons, business applications, just like this one here. It got it exactly right, guys. Competitive research is now literally an agent away. All right, now let's wrap it all up. All right, last but definitely not least is coding. AI agents that can code for you. You can go get a coffee and let it code. Well, okay, let's see it. Seeing is believing. So here's the prompt that I came up with. Write a simple snake game for me using Python. Execute it and show it to me. This is the simplest prompt you can do here, but you're not going to believe this. This AI agent can do it. It can cook. Here we go. So here are the steps it's taken. I'll help you create a simple snake game using Python and Pygame. Perfect. Let's write the code and then run it. Perfect. Now let's create the snake game code. Okay, let me remove the existing file and create a new one. So I've already done this before, so I know it works, but it's getting rid of it. And then look at, holy snap, look at that here, guys. It works. This is a working snake game. And I mean, I move it around on the screen if I want. If I click on it and I just start using the arrows here, you'll see here, oops, wow, I'm pretty good at this game. It gives you the instructions. It did it for me. The AI agent coded that, and it coded it for me. I don't know what to say, guys. ChatLLM Teams and their computer agents and their AI agents is legit, and it's legit as hell. You got to try it out. Links in the description below. Thanks for watching.